Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be sharing with you 5 cleaning hacks. Most of these hacks involve vinegar, so if you're someone who likes natural cleaning, this is the video for you. Using orange peels is an excellent way to freshen the disposal. The peels help clean the blades and citrus oils naturally freshen things up. Place a handful of ice cubes into your disposal to help degunk the blades and remove odor-causing food particles. Cleaning the microwave with vinegar is such a quick and easy way. The steam from the vinegar will loosen up any splatters so you can wipe the surfaces clean without any scrubbing. Just put about a cup of vinegar in a measuring cup and place that in your microwave for about 3 minutes. Once the microwave is done, all you have to do is go in with a paper towel or a rag and wipe everything down. Moving on to the laundry. Did you know you can put baking soda and vinegar in your laundry? Baking soda in the laundry boosts detergent performance, removes odors, and softens clothes. Vinegar is a good fabric softener and will help keep colored clothes nice and bright. This is a 2-for-1 hack, cleaning the dishwasher and kid toys all at the same time. Here I am putting all of the plastic toys inside a mesh laundry bag to keep everything together. Then I will place that in the dishwasher with a cup of vinegar, similar to the way we did the microwave. The vinegar will help disinfect plastic toys, and it will help wash away grease and grime and remove odors from the dishwasher. Are you tired of having streaks on your glass after you clean it? Well, try using newspaper for a streak-free, shiny window. No more annoying lint. If you have any good hacks, please leave them in the comments below so we all can learn new things. And if you're not already, I would love to have you subscribe so you can become a part of my YouTube family. Thanks for watching.